New tools, new competitors, new processes, every single week. Your reps are drowning in change, and their brains were never built to absorb this much, this fast. Introducing Spekit Learning, the most powerful way to onboard, train, and reinforce your learning with your revenue team. Spekit Learning helps you cut ramp time, automate your learning content engine, eliminate duplicate content, and ensure your training updates itself automatically. Finally, training that keeps up with your business. Use AI to generate incredible learning content in seconds from your existing content or even calls. Whether you're revamping new hire onboarding or launching a new product, tool, or process, Spekit lets you assign the right training to the right rep at the right time automatically, by role, by team, or even by application, to target your learning right where it's needed. Reinforce retention with AI-powered knowledge checks that prove your reps actually learned it. But we know learning without reinforcement is lost easily. That's why we pioneered learning in the flow of work. Whether it's a new hire learning everything for the first time, or a tenured rep learning a new tool, you can publish learning to any application to automate tool enablement. And if they have a question or need coaching, they can simply open AI Sidekick to get recommendations or ask a question, learning in the moments that matter most to influence a deal right in Salesforce or in any other tool. Your reps don't need another course. They need knowledge that sticks, reinforced when it matters. One living system, zero content debt, always current. Stop losing revenue to bad training. Get started with Spekit Learning.